All right, guys, you seen that title in the thumbnail, and we about to get busy in this kitchen. You already see we got pasta on the menu today. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a chicken and broccoli Alfredo bake. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's do a quick rundown of today's recipe. Back here we have our chicken. I cut it up in bite-sized pieces. We have broccoli florets here. We use some rotini pasta. We got our Alfredo sauce right here. I'm using the jar Alfredo sauce. If you do it homemade, that's fine, you can use that. Mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, black pepper. I'm using some Sazon completa, chopped garlic, and some paprika. So that's all you need. Let's get to it. All right, to get started, we're gonna prepare our pasta al dente. It's already up to boil. I salted it. We're just gonna add our pasta in here like this. And we're gonna cook this for about 7 to 10 minutes until the pasta is al dente. All right, guys, so we're about 8 minutes in. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove our pasta, but I'm gonna keep the water here. And I'm gonna tell you why in just a second. So let's go ahead and remove our pot. We're gonna return our pot back to our stove. We're gonna let that water come back up to a boil, and then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. And now we're gonna take our broccoli and we're gonna add it to our boiling water, and we're gonna blanch this for about 2 to 3 minutes. All right, guys, after that 2 to 3 minutes, we're gonna remove our broccoli. We'll add it to a bowl, and we're just gonna sit this baby aside. All right, now, so let's start preparing our chicken. All right, to get started, we're gonna melt some butter. All right, so next we're gonna add our garlic, and we're gonna get this sauteed for about a minute or so. Next, we're gonna go in with our chicken. We're gonna hit that with a little pepper, some paprika, and some Sazon completa. Guys, you could just use regular salt if you want, or a combination of salt, garlic powder, and onion powder, or just any type of seasoned salt. And we're gonna cook this until that chicken is cooked all the way through. All right, guys, so it looks like we're good with our chicken. We're gonna turn off our heat and we're gonna head over to our cutting board so we can start preparing our pasta mixture. All right, so now we're gonna combine all our ingredients. We're gonna take our cooked pasta, add it here, our broccoli, our chicken, our Alfredo sauce, half our mozzarella, and half of our Parmesan cheese. All we're gonna do now is get that baby mixed up, get it well combined. All right, guys, so it looks like we're good right here. So now we're gonna move this aside, bring over our baking dish, and we're gonna take our pasta mixture and we're gonna add it here to a greased baking dish. Gonna get that baby evened out around the dish. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is start adding the remaining of our mozzarella and our Parmesan. So now we're gonna place this in a preheated oven on 375 degrees. We're gonna let it bake for 20 to 25 minutes. And once that 25 minutes up, we're gonna pull it out. So let's get it into the oven. All right, guys, this is what we have, 25 minutes out of the oven. Take a look at that, man. That looks absolutely delicious. And there's nothing left to do right now, guys, but dig in, get it plated up, and head into quality control. And there you have it, guys. Chicken and broccoli Alfredo baked. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control. We gotta do a quick taste test. This baby's smelling and looking good. All right, so you already know it's quality control time. We gotta bring these groceries to the front of the congregation, man. Take a look at that. Man, look at that right there. This is what I'm talking about, groceries. Go ahead and take a bite real quick. Oh man. Guys, this recipe is simple. It's easy, a little healthy. You got some broccoli in it. So guys, add to your list. Until the end, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef, just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.